Introducing Research Center for Archaeometry. Established in 2002, as a part of the Research Organization for Archaeology, Language, and Literature, Research Center for Archaeometry is applying and developing scientific techniques and methodologies to Indonesian archaeology. Our mission is to reveal various ways humans engage the material world, and the natural processes involved in this relationship. Among us are experienced and passionate scientists. Collaborate in an integrated ecosystem of research, technology, and innovation. Bring out interdisciplinary studies, such as Paleoanthropology, investigates human remains using the bioarchaeological approach. Geoarchaeology, applying the earth sciences approach. Archaeobotany, identifying plant remains in archaeological contexts. Pyrotechnology, examining artifacts produced by fire technology. Traceology, interpreting the traces and residues left on artifacts. Digital archaeology, emphasizing digital data acquisition. Archaeometry plays an essential role in providing a robust scientific foundation for understanding our origins and past civilizations. Elucidate the historical background of the unity in diversity as our national identity. Deliver science to the world of Indonesian archaeology.